Hey all, welcome back to another Canterbury fishing video. Well, today I'm out fishing the Waimakariri River. It's not a bad looking day, clear skies, blue, a bit of a wind around, a bit breezy, high of around about 17 degrees. So the river's looking really good condition, and hopefully I should be able to smack one or two brown trout or even some rainbows as well. But yeah, as I said, the river's looking really good. Jet boat in the background there. Alright, we'll get stuck into it, eh? Rightio, so I'll just cross this little wee piece of water. I'm just going to target in front here, main part of the river here. There's a lot of braids running off it. I'm just going to target this little wee run along here, and then I'll cross over probably up here and see if I can get across the other side. So I've just got a little wee black and gold soft bait here, nice light jig head. Flick it out and give it a go, eh? Quite a light jig head. Nothing that run. It is quite shallow, but it's worth a shot in here. Nothing here. Yeah, got him. Oh, you pig. 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 Had it. Lost it. Lovely fish too. My only chance, I'd say. Might get another chance like that. Oh, you pig. You pig. I don't think I had it. Oh! Just a baby one, just a little one. Saw the wee one, not very big at all. Ooh. Got him this time. Little bugger. Finally got him. Not very big, is it rainbow, is it? It might be a rainbow. Yeah, it's a rainbow, I think. Yep, rainbow. Get this net sorted out. Aggressive little rainbow. There you go. Lovely wee rainbow. Stunning wee rainbow. Not many places to put my rod down. I'll find somewhere. Right, what have we got here? Oh yeah, that's a beautiful looking rainbow. Yes, you haven't engulfed that, haven't you? Oh, mate. There we go. Geez, you well and truly swallowed that, didn't you? Get your breath back. That's a nice looking rainbow. Come here. I'll get you over here somewhere. It's easy to see. Oh, the colours on that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful looking rainbow. You might get out, but that's okay. Lovely. Lovely shiny colours. Okay, see if you can get out. Can you get out? Okay, there you go, buddy. Off it goes. Could be a trout sitting in here. It's got a nice little nice feed into it, and a nice deep hole in front of that feed as well, coming over those riffles. Oh, what was that? Yep, that was a strip then. Dash! I was a bit slow on that. And it's going to ruin me soft bait because that's just pulled that through now. Got to get a new one on. Can't let that go. So putting the soft bait on, you've just got to line up, oh, a bit windy, line up the tail so that the spine is facing to the right hand side here, the tail sitting the right way, jig head hook goes in the center, and then I just feed it up about halfway, put this through, turn it around, push it straight up. Where are we here? Push it straight up. Now I've just gone a little bit too far, so I just pull it back a little bit, and then oh, still a little bit too far. There we go, we're on. All right. Jeepers. Too much wind. Too much wind. Oh gosh. Yep, strip. Thought so. strip. I have to go investigate that, I think. It certainly does not look good. It does not look good. I think that's been stolen. Stolen. Better report that. Well, as you can see in here, this vehicle's been stolen. Steering column all smashed up, ignition smashed up, someone's car. So yeah, not good. Right, I better report that. So I've just reported it to the police, and yes, it's been stolen. So hope the registered owner gets his vehicle back. Well, he will get it back, so he's just got to come and collect it from the river. Hopefully it doesn't get a flood. Alright, we'll carry on with the fishing, eh? Oh, you snot rag. Had it, saw it. Oh, took it, saw the flash, that was it.